Today we are going to study our next part, part number 6 of the history of novel. Here we are going to discuss the types of novel. There are various types of novel in an English language. So one by one we shall be studying in our video. First one is realistic novel. What is realistic novel? It is the fiction. Fiction means all false thing. It is the creation of the writer. It is the imaginative power of the writer through which he write the novel, but they present in such a form as if the audience, readers, after reading it, they will feel that yes, it has happened in the past. Okay, the fiction, but in reality it has nothing to do with the reality. It is a fiction. Fiction is a false. Gives effect of realism. This is already false, but it will give the effect to the reader as if it is it has happened. Okay, also called novel of manners. It is also known as the novel of manners. And in realistic novel, you will find the complex character. Characters are very much complex. It is very difficult to understand the characters in the realistic novel. Okay, complex character. They are not simple characters. Next, motives rooted in social class. Their motives. It is rooted in the social class. Okay, you will find the social effect upon the writer. They are very much complex. It will describe the higher caste society, upper class society in the novel. Okay, it will show the reality of the high class people. Okay, social class, high class, middle class, sometime lower class. Okay, sometime it will reflect the happening, what is happening to the lower class society in a society. Okay, if you for example, if you read the Indian literature, Indian novel, then you will come to know the reality of the lower class people, how they were exploited, how these high caste Brahman, they used to exploit the Shudras. Okay, Shudras means they are the fourth category, and they were given all the laborious manual work, and in this way they were not allowed to go to pray in the temple. If suppose they comes, what happened? They used to give the ablution to the temple with 7 river water. So okay, this thing was happening. Sometime what happened? They started pelting stone. So you will come to know about the low caste society, how they were exploited by the high class people in our Indian society, Indian culture in the past, during the time of pre-independence period. So the realistic novel. So that was just example. Then everyday experiences seen in the interaction with other characters. They will interact with each other, and their everyday experience, as soon as the story gets proceed forward, so the characters begins to develop. You will find the maturity and development in the characters one by one. Experiences, as per the experiences, on the basis of everyday experiences, they interact with each other. They will say the lively dialogue, and in this way the story proceed forward. Then next, picaresque novel. What is picaresque novel? It narrates the adventure of the protagonist. It narrates the adventure of the protagonist, means hero. Who is the protagonist? Is a hero. Here what will happen in picaresque? You will find the struggle of the hero. Take the simple example. In the movie, if you see any movie, so in the movie what happened? The hero, he is struggling from his childhood up to the end of the movie. So you will find a continuous hard work of the hero, and in this way tyranny takes place. The villain, he used to exploit the hero. So in this way what will happen? Sometime villain, he killed the father and mother of the hero. So what happened? This protagonist, he will come on the stage, he will say the dramatic monologue in front of the audience, and he says that I will take this revenge, I will not leave that culprit who have killed my father and mother. So in this way what happened? The revenge, in the end the hero, he takes the revenge, and in this way what happened? The audience, they become very happy, and all the other characters in the novel, they also became very happy, and this is that now justice now this is the time of justice. Now hero has got the justice. So in this way, after killing the villain, the happy ending takes place. So similarly in the novel also, what happened? Same thing happened. Protagonist, he struggled from beginning, middle and up to the end. Okay, he struggled, and in this way what happened, the climax of the story ends on a happy ending, when all the misculprit who were done evil, they got the punishment. And in this way, in the novel or in the movie, you will see the happy ending takes place. So these are the Picaresque novel. It gives a picture of the complete focus will be on the protagonist hero. Then next, historical novel. Historical novel set on earlier period than that of the writing. Historical novel will reflect the history in the past, what was happened. So it will give you the historical background, history of those country where the writer he belongs to. Okay, if you see the historical novel, for example, if you see drama, William Shakespeare, Henry IV. Okay, it is a history. It describes the history of the Great Britain. So what was happening in the Great Britain during those time? So what type of people were there? What type of cultures were there? And how they were behaving? What type of lifestyle was there? What type of societies were there? Okay, and how the upper class society, what works they were doing during those time when the industrial revolution came. At that time, there was a big changes has been taken place. So during the what type of this king, how he was ruling, what type of monarchy was there during those time. Okay, what type of government. So during those time there was a king. So it reflects the entire period of history of the United Kingdom. So historical novel reflect the history. It will give the history what was happening in the past. So now next our next point is epistolary novel. What is epistolary? Epistolary novel, it is a narration through a series of correspondence, other documents. You might have seen the documentary movie is totally based on means epistolary form. Okay, in documentary what happened, any incident that happened, then later on what happened, for example, that crime patrol we are looking, no. So in crime patrol what happened, in those serial, whatever incident had happened, so on the basis of the document, okay, what they are doing, they are means these director and producer, what they are doing, they are making a film, okay, and showing as if this incident has happened in the reality. So they are giving that much flavor, so that audience could view it, and they will learn the moral message. Okay, so crime patrol. Okay, so all these are epistolary novels. So they are taking the documents, narration through a series of correspondence, other document. They are collecting document. They are finding the proof, means letter, diary, other documents, entries. Okay, and on the basis of those documents, they are making documentary movie. So epistolary novels are just like a documentary novel. So there means the characters, they will say the dialogue, they will on the basis of document whatever they have been given by the author, letter, diary and entries. So these are the example of epistolary novel. Then next is a Gothic novel. What is Gothic? Take the example of movie 1920. You might have seen 1920. This movie, it is a horror movie. Gothic means horror. You will find the palace is haunted, and it has been said that ghosts are coming there, and this is a haunted place. At the midnight, what happened, that ghost will come in front of the stage, and all the audience they get scared after looking the ghost. Okay, and that much sound system was there. If suppose you are looking in the movie in the theater, you will get the sound system. And what happened? Terror comes, fear, scared. There was a mystery. Okay, mystery finding takes place, and narrates the thriller. And sometime what happened? Supernatural power comes. So supernatural thriller. excitement, there is excitement. Supernatural, doom, the audience will feel that as if now doom is going to come, means the end of the world, doomsday. Okay, that type of flavors they are giving, and in this way the audience they get scared. So some death will take place, there's ghosts will come, he will kill any characters in the movie, and there is a continuous means a thriller, okay, shocking environment takes place. Decay or haunted, or decay means what? Here you will find that ghost has killed some person, and the remain skeleton of that person is lying down, okay, at the haunted place. This thing you see the skull, bones, okay. Or next, death or haunted building means palace. So Gothic novel, it is a horror movie. Horror movie is the example of Gothic novel. In Gothic novel also you will get the horror, death, decay, thriller, supernatural. Okay. Next, autobiographical novel. It's very simple. What is autobiographical novel? Autobiographical novel is the autobiography of the writer. Completely, he will share his own experience. Okay, whatever happened in the life of the writer, he will write in the novel, and he will reflect it in front of the audience. And autobiographical novel is based on the life, completely based on the life of the author. Very simple. So our next lesson 4.2 is To Serve with Love. That novel is based on autobiographical novel. So in that novel we shall be studying how the writer was exploited by this high caste society people. Writer is a teacher, he was a diplomat, and all the means high caste people, they used to exploit him. Children, they misbehave with the writer, though writer is a teacher. So that we will be discuss in our next class. So now let us have a glance over the text. Now next, our next point is realistic novel. What is realistic novel? The realistic novel is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. Sometimes this is called a novel of manner. It can be characterized by its complex character with mixed motives that are rooted in the social class. The characters in the realistic novel interact with other characters and undergo plausible and everyday experiences. So everyday experiences has been highlighted in this realistic novel. It will highlight the means reality, but in fact it has nothing to do with the reality. It is a fiction. Next, picaresque. The word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means rogue. A picaresque novel narrates the adventure of the protagonist, who is an eccentric or disreputable person, in an episodic form. Picaresque novel is about this novel narrates the adventure. Adventure means struggle, adventure means risk, adventure, challenges, whatever he will face in the novel has been highlighted by the author. Then next is the historical. Historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than that of the writing. It will give the background history of those country. Okay, writer, he will reflect the reality of what was happened in the past. Is a historical novel. Next, epistolary novel. The word epistolary derives from the Latin word epistola, which means a letter. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents. Although letters are the most common basis for epistolary novel, diary entries are also a popular form of this type. So all the documentary, whatever situation happened in the country, so what will happen? This producer, actor, they will visit there, they will collect the proof okay, about that incident, and all document they will collect it, and on the basis of the proof, what they will make the picture, documentary. So that is the example of epistolary novel. Gothic novel. The novels that include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural, doom, death or decay, or haunted buildings are called the Gothic novel. Here you will find a thriller, you will find a terror and supernatural, sometimes supernatural elements comes in the novel or movie. Super in the form of might be an angel. Okay, that angel will come. What he will do? He will kill that ghost, and in this way, what will happen? There will be a happy ending will takes place. So there is a continuous struggle from beginning to end takes place in the Gothic novel, and the people here they will not enjoy it. They will not become happy. Why? Because ghosts will come, and their heart is completely, it is filled up with terror. Okay, thriller, enthusiasm. Then next, autobiographical novel. Autobiographical novel is the novel based on the life of the author. However, the author change the places and name of the characters, or even may change or avoid certain details on his life. It may or may not be in the first person pronoun. First person narration. It may be, it is not like that. Sometimes it may be a maybe first person narration, or sometimes it may be a third person narration. When third person narration takes place, it means that author has entered in the novel, and he is giving some gist or some idea about his novel to the audience. So authorial intervention takes place in autobiographical novel. So these are the all these are the four types of novel we have discussed so far. So dear student, if suppose you are having any doubt regarding these types of novel, so then you please give your comment on our comment box section of the YouTube channel. And still our one last video is remaining of this chapter. We shall be continuing it in our next video. So thank you very much for watching this video.